Good morning, class 5. I hope everyone is fit and fine. We were reading chapter number 4, solids, liquids, and gases. We read up till the topic particle arrangement in matter. Then we discussed about the change of state of matter, ki how one state changes into another state. So today we will read it change of state of matter by different processes. Please open page number 48 of your books. First process is evaporation that we are going to study. One state of matter changes into another state by the process of evaporation. How? Let's see. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor, which is its gaseous form. Changing of a liquid into its gaseous form is called evaporation. On heating, the particles of water start moving or vibrating faster. Finally, they break free from their existing arrangement and escape into the air as gas, where the particles can move much more freely. Now, beta, what is evaporation? You have water in a container. Start heating this water. What will happen after some time? The water will start boiling and it will start going up in the form of water vapors. Water vapor is the gaseous form. Change of liquid, water is liquid. Change of liquid into gaseous form is called evaporation. This process is called evaporation. Change of liquid into gaseous form is called evaporation. Now, how liquid has changed into gaseous form? When you heat water, the particles present in the water, they start moving away from each other. वो दूर दूर जाना start हो जाएंगे. See, on heating, the particles of water start moving or vibrating faster. वो बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से वाइब्रेट करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. They will move in to and fro motion. After that, they break free from their existing arrangement. Whatever the arrangement is there of particles, they will move away from their existing arrangement. जैसा भी particles का arrangement है इसमें, वो arrangement बिल्कुल change हो जाएगा क्योंकि vibration start होगी particles में, तो उनकी जो position है वो भी change हो जाएगी. And escape into the air as gas, and then they will start going up into the air as in the form of gas, in which the particles can move much more freely. So when they go in the air, when they will reach in the air, they will move freely. तो वो ज़्यादा freely move करना start कर देंगे. Because in the container they were packed over here in this much area. When they will go in the air, they will move freely, means they can move here and there in the open space. So this is known as evaporation. Next process is condensation. When the freely flowing particles of water vapor touch a cold surface, they cool down. Changing of gas into a liquid is called condensation. Water vapor condenses to form water. Cooling a substance slows down the movement of its particles. Therefore, the particles become less free to move, thus forming a liquid. Now, what is condensation? You have water in a container. You have started heating this water and this container is covered with the plate. Now when you heat this water, it start boiling and start converting into water vapors, means evaporation starts. The water vapors, they will stick over here on the surface of the plate. Remove this plate. These are the water vapors. Remove this plate and keep it at room temperature. After some time, what you will see, water vapors, they will start converting into water. Water vapors से क्या बन जाएगा पूरा water उस plate के ऊपर. This is known as condensation. The change of water vapors into water on cooling is called condensation. On cooling कैसे हो गया बेटे? First, the temperature of the plate was high because it was on the container to which we were heating. When you kept them and you removed the plate and kept it at room temperature क्या है? Low है, cooling है, cool है. तो cooling effect की वजह से जो water vapors हैं वो water में change हो जाएंगे. So change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Now how this process has occurred? Cooling a substance slows down the movement, means the particles that are present in the water vapors, they are freely present. Now when they have come on the room temperature, in the cool environment, the particles, they will stop moving, means their movement will slows down. Cooling temperature पे आके उनकी movement slow हो जाएगी and they will start converting into liquid. So cooling की वजह से ही particles की movement वो slow हो जाती है और जो वो है water vapor से gaseous form से वो liquid form में change हो जाते हैं. That is known as condensation. Next process is melting. Now what is melting? The particles in an ice cubes are rigidly packed to give it a fixed shape. When an ice cube is taken out of the refrigerator, it gradually melts. Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. This happens because in a warm place, the particles in ice start vibrating faster and finally break away from their rigid pattern. They become loosely packed as in a liquid and form water. Next is melting. What is melting? The change of solid into liquid is called melting. You have ice cube. The shape of the ice cube is fixed. The particles in the ice cube, they are rigidly packed. Rigidly packed means they are tightly packed. No space among them. When you take out ice cube from the refrigerator and keep it at room temperature, what will happen? The ice will start melting and will start changing into water. After some time, you will observe that the whole ice, it has converted into water. Now, how it has converted into water? What happens? First, it was in the refrigerator. The ice was in the refrigerator. In the refrigerator, temperature was low. When you took out ice from the refrigerator and kept it at room temperature, temperature was high as compared to the refrigerator. So what happened? Firstly, the particles, they were tightly packed. When we brought the ice in the room temperature, the particles, they started moving very fast. They started vibrating very fast. उनके जो वाइब्रेशन हाई टेम्परेचर की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट हो गई और वो इधर उधर मूव करने स्टार्ट हो गई. दैट इज वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स एंड देन दे चेंज्ड देयर पोजीशन फ्रॉम द रिजिड पैटर्न एंड फ्रॉम द लूज पैटर्न. रिजिड पैटर्न मींस फिक्स्ड पैटर्न से वो लूज पैटर्न में कन्वर्ट हो गई, तो वो सॉलिड से लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो गई. दैट इज नोन एज melting. Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. Next, solidification. Last process is solidification. Now, what is solidification? Changing of a liquid into its solid form is called solidification. We all know that water forms ice upon freezing. Freezing is a type of solidification. Other substances also change states and the particles behave in the same way as that of water. The particles move faster when heated and slow down when cooled. Change of water, change of liquid into solid is called solidification. You have water, you keep it in the refrigerator, it will convert into ice. Liquid has changed into solid. This is known as solidification. Now, how water has changed into ice? Again, the particle arrangement. In water, the particle arrangement means the particles, they were loosely packed. At room temperature, they were loosely packed. When you kept water in the refrigerator, temperature was low inside the refrigerator. So the particles, the movement of the particles, it slowed down, go slow away, and they start converting into ice. वो ice में convert होना start हो गए. So this is known as solidification. So this was the last process. Let's see. Recap means all the four processes. First was the evaporation, then condensation, then melting, and the last was solidification. What was evaporation? Let's see. Change of liquid into gaseous form. It is known as evaporation. Change of water into water vapors. Next, condensation. Condensation is change of gas into liquid. That is known as condensation. Change of water vapors on cooling into water. When water vapors are cooled, they convert into water. Next was melting. Melting is change of solid into liquid. Ice converts into water. That is melting. That is melting process. And the last process was solidification. Change of liquid into solid form is called solidification. Change of liquid into solid on cooling is called solidification. So four processes that shows how states of matter they change their form from one form to another form. How forms are interchanged. This is all explained in these four processes: evaporation, condensation, melting, and solidification. So we will read up to here today. Next topic. Sorry, I gave you one homework. Let's remember on page number 51. So let's do that first. Next topic we will start in the next lecture. Let's remember. Write the correct words next to the correct pictures that show the arrangement of particles in each of them. So first picture is showing about particle arrangement in solids. So write all the solids in front of the first picture. In solids, particles, they are very tightly packed. So which are the solids given over here? Write all of them. First is table, pen, and brick. These are the solids. Next picture is telling us about the liquids. Particles, they are loosely packed. So which are the liquids over here? Water, ink, milk, and juice. Water, ink, milk, and juice. These are the liquids. And the last picture is telling you about the gases. Particles are very far away from each other. Which are the gases over here? Air. Here it is a mixture of gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. So these are the gases. First solids, table, pen, brick. Liquids, water, ink, milk, and juice. And the last one, gases from air, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Next topic we will start in the next lecture. Please read up to here. Thank you and have a nice day.